How to buy Robux cheaply and safely. Robux is the in-game currency of Roblox used for purchasing items, avatars, and game passes. Finding affordable Robux is possible, but it requires caution to avoid scams. Here's a structured guide to buying Robux cheaply and safely. What is Robux? Robux is Roblox's virtual currency used for in-game purchases, avatar customization, and premium experiences within the platform. Where to buy Robux cheaply. The safest place to buy Robux is through the official Roblox platform or authorized gift card retailers. Avoid unofficial sites that promise cheap Robux, as they often lead to scams or account bans. Look for discounts and promotions. Roblox occasionally offers promotional deals during special events, holidays, or sales. Gift card promotions at retail stores may also offer bonus Robux or discounts. Use Roblox Premium for savings. Subscribing to Roblox Premium provides a monthly Robux stipend and additional discounts on Robux purchases, making it a cost-effective way to get more Robux over time. Buy Robux in bulk. Purchasing larger Robux packages often comes with a lower cost per Robux compared to smaller bundles, providing better value for your money. Check for gift card deals. Retailers sometimes offer discounted Roblox gift cards or promotions that include bonus Robux. Keep an eye on sales events and seasonal discounts for savings. Avoid unofficial sellers. Be cautious of third-party websites offering extremely cheap Robux. These sites often engage in fraudulent activity, which can lead to account suspensions or scams. Use secure payment methods. When buying Robux, use secure payment methods such as credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, or gift cards purchased from authorized sellers to protect your financial information. Monitor Roblox offers. Regularly check Roblox's official website or app for any ongoing offers, sales, or bonus Robux promotions to maximize your purchase value. Buying Robux cheaply is possible through official promotions, bulk purchases, and Roblox Premium subscriptions. Always prioritize security by using authorized platforms to protect your account and finances while enjoying the Roblox experience.